Today I'm going to go through a song called Here We Go Round the Mulberry Bush. A nice simple old favourite for you. Okay, let's get started and I'll play through it first for you. Okay, so let's break it down. So to start with the first line, the first note we've got C. So second string, first fret, C. 3 of those. Then in the second bar we've got C, E, open string, and then a G, a high G, which is third fret on the first string, and then E, and then C. 2 C's to finish with, a 2 beat and a 1 beat. So the first line again, C, 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 E, G, C, E, C. Then the second line starts with a D. So third fret, then C, B, A, G. So the second line again, D, 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 C, B, A, G. Okay, then the third line we've got starting with a C, so second string, first fret, C, 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 E. Sorry, that was 4 C's. Here we go round the mulberry bush. So that's G, E, C, C, and then the fourth line, D, D, G, A, B, C, C. Okay, let's go through the whole thing one more time from the top. C, 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 E, G, C, D, 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 C, B, A, G, C, 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 E, G, Okay, so that's the whole thing again, and I hope you enjoyed that, and I look forward to seeing you next time.